Simplify 4th root of 12 into 7th root of 6. Let us solve this. It may look complex in the beginning, but it is not. Simple. Let's start with writing the question first, which is 4th root of 12 into 7th root of 6. This is equal to, we have an identity that we can use to solve this problem. Nth root of a is equal to a to the power 1 by n. Using this identity, we get 12 to the power 1 by 4 over here into 6 to the power 1 by 7. If we find the factors of 12, it is 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3. So we have 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 1 by 4. This 2 to the power 2 into 3 is equal to 12. Now next we have multiplied by 6. 6 can be simply written as 2 into 3 whole raised to the power 1 by 7, which is equal to, opening the brackets, we get 2 to the power 2 into 1 by 4 into 3 to the power 1 by 4 into 2 to the power 1 by 7 into 3 to the power 1 by 7. This is equal to, here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, so we get 2 to the power 1 by 2. Let's write this 2 to the power 1 by 7 over here, just to make the things easier. We have 2 to the power 1 by 7 into 3 to the power 1 by 4 into 3 to the power 1 by 7, which is equal to 2 to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 7. How? Simple. A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. We have used this identity. Into same identity used here, we get 3 to the power 1 by 4 plus 1 by 7, which is equal to 2 to the power 2 and 7. So we get the LCM as 14. 2 7s are 14, 7 1 are 7 plus 7 2s are 14. 2 into 1 we get 2 into 3 to the power 4 and 7. The LCM is 28. 4 7s are 28. 7 into 1 is 7 plus 7 4s are 28. 4 into 1 is 4, which is equal to 2 to the power 7 plus 2, 9 by 14 into 3 to the power 7 plus 4 is 11 by 28. Now what can be done next? If you see, we have 28 here but 14 here. So if we can make this also equal to 28, we can put 2 and 3 under a single umbrella. How can we do this? If we multiply 14 with 2, and since 2 has to be multiplied in the numerator also, so as not to change the value of this fraction, we can get it. So here we will get 18 and here we will get 28. So this is equal to 2 to the power, we can write it as 18 upon 28 into 3 to the power 11 upon 28. This could be written as 2 to the power 18 into 1 by 28 multiplied by 3 to the power 11 into 1 upon 28. Can be further written as 2 to the power 18 whole raised to the power 1 upon 28. How? Because we have an identity that says a to the power m raised to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. We have used the same identity. Here we get 3 to the power 11 to the power 1 by 28. This can be written as 2 to the power 18 into 3 to the power 11 and this whole raised to the power 1 by 28. Now the identity that we have used here is a to the power m into b to the power m can be written as a into b whole raised to the power m. This can be written as 28th root of 2 to the power 18 into 3 to the power 11. So we have a common root here for the entire term and that is our final answer. Pick up the questions, start solving it. Use the identities that you have learned, find it where it fits and keep on solving. You will get the answer and you will also believe that study mere is not anymore.